Deodita Fernandez, Bangle Seller, Bangalore. Verani Franco, teacher. Supriya Fernandez, Flower Lady. Tina Franco, chef. Manisha Fernandez, doctor. Irene Wall, nurse. Lisander Rodriguez as air hostess. With this wonderful fashion show, we bring to an end to this wonderful day.